Hello.
I am Plato, the founder of the world's first university academy, the mentor of Aristotle, the innovator of the written conversational style dialogue, the challenger of the norms, and the namesake of Platonic love. I believe that the measure of a man is what he does with power. I was born in Athens, Greece, around 427 BC. My philosophical works delve deep into various topics like politics, ethics, and metaphysics. Except for few exceptional cases, in my dialogues, I never speak in my own voice. Almost in every dialogue of mine, my great teacher, Socrates, features. I use the Socratic method of questioning to stimulate critical thinking and challenge ideas. I believed in a hierarchy of knowledge, with philosophers being the most enlightened and capable of governing societies. In my best-known work, the Republic, still being one of the world's most influential works of philosophy and political theory, I raise the question, what is justice? And I explore the ideal society, where philosophers are the rulers and strive for justice and equality. According to my concept of the Philosopher-King, the rulers should possess knowledge and wisdom to govern a just society. My allegory of the cave, or Plato's cave, portrays the journey from ignorance to enlightenment. I categorize governments into 5 types of regimes: aristocracy, timocracy, oligarchy, democracy, and tyranny. For the question, what is the basis of moral and social obligation? My well-known answer rests upon the fundamental responsibility to seek wisdom, which leads to an understanding of the form of the good. In my view, the good is the supreme form. In my theory of forms, I discuss that the physical world is not really the real world. Instead, ultimate reality exists beyond our physical world. I believe that true knowledge could only be attained through reasoning and contemplation, rather than relying on our senses alone. The Academy, founded by me, was the world's first university, which became a flourishing center of learning at my time. It was a gathering place for intellectuals, encouraging critical thinking and dialogue. In my view, the wise person uses the mind to understand moral reality and then applies it to the daily life. One of my famous students include Aristotle, who went on to become another influential philosopher. My philosophies were not only abstract, but also had practical implications. I explored the role of education in shaping a just society, and laid the foundation for what is now considered as liberal arts education. Despite being written more than 2 millennia ago, my works still hold relevance in contemporary discussions on politics, ethics, education, and the nature of reality. My enduring legacy lies in my emphasis on the pursuit of truth, justice, and the quest for knowledge, leaving a lasting impact on our civilization. I am Plato, the legendary philosopher.